Delivering premium results, the high-performance Styccobond B95 is a flexible wood flooring adhesive incorporating the latest polymer technology. It's suitable for installing a wide range of wood floor coverings such as wood block, wood mosaic, semi-solids, wood strip and planks. Its non-flammable, quick-setting and high bond strength characteristics complement a degree of flexibility, accommodating natural movement in wood flooring over its lifetime. Hold a 3 by 6 mm V-notch trowel at an angle of 60 degrees and apply the adhesive evenly over the prepared subfloor. Then position the wood flooring, pressing firmly over the whole surface to ensure good transfer. Ensure the wood remains in contact with the adhesive whilst it sets, and remember to spread only an amount which can be covered whilst the adhesive is still receptive.